Pica. Pica is the ingestion of non-nutritive substance and which may be plaster, charcoal, paint or soil, and it leads to the inappropriate child development. The risk factors being poor socioeconomic status, malnutrition and deficiency, and there is developmental delay, psychological stress and behavioral disorders. Complication being lead poisoning, parasitic infection, and management is by correcting the stress, lead poisoning screening, deworming, iron supplementation. There is increase in case of toxocariasis and ascariasis, and the types being ingestion of soil and clay is known as geophagy, other terms being hematophagy, urophagy, coprophagy, which is nothing but excrements.